Hello guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. So if your printer suddenly stopped working and is flashing that annoying paper jam message, don't worry, you're not alone. It happens to everyone and it's usually way easier to fix than it looks. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to clear that paper jam safely and get your printer running again in just a few minutes. Let's fix it together. First, unplug the power cord from the back of your printer. Next, take out any papers sitting in your output tray. Now, if there's paper stuck in the output tray, don't yank it or force it out. Instead, just slide your fingers into the little gap on the left side of the printer. Go ahead and lift up the cartridge access door. You will see a handle on the paper path cover. Lift that up and remove the cover. Now, you should be able to see and gently remove any paper that's stuck in there. Also, be sure to check the paper path for any small torn pieces that may be still inside. Once that's clear, put the paper path cover back in place. Close the cartridge access door. Finally, plug the power cord back into the printer and turn it on. See if that paper jam warning is gone. You should be good to go. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.